Take 1 tomato, cut the halves into small cubes, put them in a mixer jar, and blend them until fine paste is obtained, and then squeeze out the juice. Similarly, take 1 cucumber, cut it into small dices, put them in a mixer jar, and blend them until fine paste is obtained, and then squeeze out the juice. Now, add tomato juice and cucumber juice in a glass, and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Mix them together. After that, pour the mixture in an ice cube tray, filling each section properly. Then place an ice cube tray in a freezer. Once frozen completely, remove an ice cube tray from the freezer, and they are ready to use. Take 1 ice cube, and rub it gently on your face and body, wherever you have a problem of suntan, acne, pimples, dark spots, or an uneven skin tone. Take 1/2 banana, and cut it into small cubes. Then, put them in a mixer jar, and blend them to a smooth paste. Now, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of smooth banana paste, and add 1 teaspoon of honey. After that, break open a green tea bag, and add tea powder to the paste. Mix all the ingredients well. First, cleanse your face with a mild cleanser, and then apply the paste on your face. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then wash off with cool water. Your face will instantly feel smooth and clean. Bananas are full of antioxidants, which not only help remove dead skin cells, but also leave your skin feeling new, fresh and rejuvenated. They are great natural moisturizers for your skin. Take a glass of water, and add about half a cup of rice to it. Let the rice soak for 30 minutes. Swirl it around until the water turns cloudy, strain the water, and fill a spray bottle with it, using a narrow mouth container, or using a funnel. And your rice water toner is ready to use. Use this rice water to cleanse your face. Spray some water on your face. Then, rub a cotton ball or pad for a couple of minutes. Let your face air dry. With regular use you will notice your skin feeling soft, tight, and glowy. Use every day as part of your skin care routine. It minimizes the appearance of pores, and tightens skin. This natural skin toner promotes cell growth, stimulates blood flow, and helps keep your skin smooth and bright. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.